day everyone, I am Ronalyn Ranises and I am here today to make an instructional video.
During the beginning of exercise, what are some of the acute response of the cardiovascular, pulmonary, muscular, and endocrine system of the body?
So immediately, during the start of exercise, the acute responses of the cardiovascular will increases because of an increase in stroke volume and heart rate. Also, there is increase in blood pressures and blood flow, while the pulmonary acute responses is that it immediately changes within the cardiovascular and pulmonary system from rest to exercise, such as increased ventilation, heart rate, cardiac output, and symbolic blood pressures, increased blood flow through the lungs. The acute responses of muscular system to exercise are changes to your body to meet the increased energy requirements as we transitions from rest to exercise. Our body systems work harder to deliver the required oxygens and fuels to the working muscles as they increase their power output. Endocrine system responds to stimulation by secreting hormones into the circulatory system that travel to the target tissue. Responses to endocrine system stimulations are typically slow but long-lasting.
How does a regular exercise program result in chronic adaptations to the cardiovascular, pulmonary, muscular, and endocrine systems of the body?
Regular exercise program result in chronic adaptations to the cardiovascular. Cardiovascular, it increases in stroke volume and cardiac output decreases in heart rate. Pulmonary, improve air movement into and out lungs and increase blood flow through the lungs at the same absolute workload. Muscular system increase energy productions from fat and decreases lactic at the same time. Endocrine system decreases of epinephrine and norepinephrine at the same to workload.
Why do athletes and coaches need to be knowledgeable about the acute responses and chronic adaptations to endurance exercise and resistance exercise training?
It is very crucial for the athletes and coaches to be well knowledgeable about the acute responses and chronic adaptations. In the view of the fact that all athletes can get benefit from adaptation through exercise, especially during actual sports game in which their muscles simply adapts to aerobic exercise training to become a more effective energy provider. So the coaches are responsible for their respective athletes. For example, at international sport game, he should first know the capabilities and weaknesses of his athlete if their body condition are suited to compete with. Most important thing is that the coaches must ensure the exercise maintenance of the athletes to avoid injury or other problems.